Unspoken Words, Mastering Gestures in Communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential, yet often overlooked aspect of language learning: gestures. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use your hands and body to communicate effectively in English, no matter where you are. Gestures are nonverbal cues that accompany our speech. They can emphasize a point, express a feeling, or even replace words entirely. Using gestures can make your communication more engaging and understandable, especially in a new language. There are several types of gestures, and today we'll focus on the most common ones. Emblems. Gestures with a direct verbal translation, like a thumbs up for good. Illustrators. Movements that accompany speech, like chopping the air to show urgency. Regulators. Signals that control the flow of conversation, like nodding to encourage someone to continue. Affect displays. Expressions of emotion, such as a smile or a frown. Adapters. Gestures that satisfy a personal need, like scratching an itch. When learning a new language, it's important to observe and mimic the gestures native speakers use. Here are some tips. 1. Watch and learn. Pay attention to how English speakers use their hands and body. 2. Keep it natural. Don't overdo it. Use gestures that feel comfortable and authentic. 3. Practice. Like vocabulary, gestures are learned through repetition and usage. 4. Match your words. Ensure your gestures complement your verbal message. 5. Be culturally aware. Some gestures may have different meanings in different cultures. Let's go through some common English gestures. Come here, a hand with palm up, fingers beckoning towards you. Stop, an outstretched hand with palm facing outwards. I don't know, shrugging your shoulders with palms up. Thank you for watching. Remember, using gestures can dramatically improve your communication skills in English. Keep practicing, stay expressive, and you'll become a pro at nonverbal cues in no time. See you in our next video.